Oh, oops, I am struggling with this, and I don't know why the hell I'm smiling so much. Very patchy and dry, that's what she said. The forehead, which is very big, that's what she said. Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Nikitha Yadav. So today I'll be recreating one of the Shreya Jain's makeup look which she did for her Instagram. If you don't know who she is, then she is a beauty influencer and a YouTuber. So enough of talking, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. I'm starting off by applying this primer by Color Bar. Oh oops, I am struggling with this, and I don't know why the hell I'm smiling so much. Maybe to look decent in my mind, but I think it's kind of creepy. By the way, this is my absolute favorite primer. So moving on to the Wet n Wild Dewy Luminex primer, which is literally one of the best and affordable primers out there. It gives you just the right kind of dewiness and shine. I'll just leave a pic to prove that it really gives you a beautiful base. Like, you can see how beautiful my face looked in that picture, and like now it just has a right kind of hydration to it. So as my skin is prepped and primed, I'm going to apply this foundation stick by Sugar Cosmetics. Okay, so I'm trying the Instagram way of applying the foundation. Dab dab until your hands fall off. Something I learned from Nikki tutorials. So I'm using a concealer which is 2 shades darker than my skin tone, which will basically cancel out any darkness. If you are someone who does not like the whole correcting thing, this is for you. This tip will make sure that you don't get that ugly grey cast which we get after a few hours of our makeup. So I'm just dabbing and blending the product onto my skin nicely. Here comes the tricky part, contouring. Always start with less product, and rest you can always build it up if needed, but never go over the board in the start because it can literally destroy all your efforts. So as I'm done with contouring, I am using a concealer 1 shade lighter than my skin tone to basically highlight some areas on my face. Ooh, it really brings out my features. Here comes my favorite part, applying blush. It just really brings back the life into my face. Now I'm just setting my face with the Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder, which is a very nice loose powder as it does not make my face look very patchy and dry. That's what she said. Because I really like my face to look dewy even when I've said it. So yeah. Setting my creme contour by my powder contour, which is by Sugar Cosmetics. बिल्कुल चाकू की तरह अपनी jawline बना देंगे, and don't forget the forehead, which is very big. That's what she said. Moving on to the eyes, I'm dabbing the eyeshadow on the crease line, extending it to my hairline. Now using a fluffier brush to blend the harsh edges and give it a softer look. Here I'm cutting the crease so that my pink eyeshadow, which I'll be placing after cutting the crease, can sit on it very well and the pink will come out really nicely. Packing on the pink eyeshadow and then blending it out with a light pink shade with a fluffier brush. Applying the pink eyeshadow around the waterline. Now I'm just going to brush through my brows and then fill it in. I generally don't take much time with my brows. And now I'm going to highlight my brow bone and the inner corner of my eye. Lashes are on, lipstick is on, and you're done with the look. I really hope you like this video. This was my very first attempt to a voiceover, so please bhul chuk maaf, and don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. That is Nikitha Yadav, and I shall see you next time. Bye.